Hello everyone, welcome to Housey. I am Ikhlas and today we will be doing the teaser for Candior Eternia by Candior Constructions, which is located in Bachupalli, Hyderabad. But before starting, let me show you the surroundings of the project. As you can see, this is the exact location of the project. So this is going to be your marketing office and the land parcel is just over here. Now let me tell you what exactly is Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate guarantee. Unlike any other current listing platform where if you do inquiry, your number is shared with multiple brokers creating chaos. But with Housey, it is directly done by the developer. So stop going here and there and book your dream home directly through Housey. In the video, we will be discussing below points like project overview, location, amenities, super built up area, booking process, launch discount offers and a lot more. So let's get this video started. Now, the first one is the project overview. You see, this project is going to be constructed on 7.7 acres of land parcel featuring 4 towers with 33 floors. Coming over to the location part, as you can see, this is the exact location of the project, which is located in Bachupalli, Hyderabad. This is your entire connectivity and from here you get connected to the city area. Coming over to connectivity part, the outer ring road is just 10 minutes away from here and the Miapur metro station also being just 20 minutes away. Now let's look at the amenities part. So this project is going to come with modern luxurious amenities which includes a grand clubhouse which is of 5 level and is 73,000 square feet. There's going to be swimming pool, kids play area and a lot more. Now, coming over to the super built up area, so you see 2 BHK is going to be 1,462 to 1,546 square feet. 3 BHK and 2 toilet is going to be 1,590 to 1,619 square feet. And 3 BHK 3 toilet is 1,711, 1,874, 2,004, 2,192 square feet. Coming over to the booking process, let's discuss the booking process. So as of now, the project booking windows are open and the clients are invited to the site where the sales team will explain the complete project details, will share the pricing, payment schemes and everything, guide you through the project. And if the client likes the project, they can proceed for booking by paying a certain token amount. So everyone, that was the teaser of Candior Eternia by Candior Constructions, which is located in Bachupalli, Hyderabad. Lastly, for more such amazing videos, do not forget to subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.